Here I've got ARCHOS Oxygen 57, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, open apps and notifications, scroll down, go to the advanced options, scroll down one more time and then select special app access. And now you will notice install unknown apps, simply click on it, and here you can simply allow installation of apps from some particular sources. So let me do it, for example, for Google Chrome, simply activate it here. Then you can do it also for your files, and as you can see from now on, this source is allowed and you are able to install applications downloaded through them. And that would be all. This is how you can activate unknown sources in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.